Hello there people, this is Christian. Welcome back to my computer and Fusion 360 and this little bug and a workaround to avoid the bug. The bug is quite simple, it's concerning canvas, so we're going to insert a canvas, insert from computer, select an image which I happen to have on my computer and select a face. I'm going to do it on the front face here, hit OK, look at the front so it's a bit easier to see the canvas and zoom in a bit. I'm going to open up a canvas in the browser, right click and select calibrate. This is the normal workflow. You start by calibrating your canvas. Let's say this here is going to be 100 millimeter, so we zoom it out a bit. We want to check if it's centered and oh no, it's not really centered. I want the origin to be all in the center. It's easier to sketch things, so I'm going to right click and edit canvas and see what happens. Pay attention to the orientation and the size. When I hit edit the canvas, two things happens. For some reason the canvas gets rotated 90 degrees and it gets rescaled to its previous size before the calibration. I think it's before calibration. Anyway, very annoying bug. We can of course now go in and move things around and hit OK. Let's say we want it there. That's of course the wrong place. Once again, we can do a calibrate. So, okay, let's just recalibrate it. It's no problem. Let's do 100 again. And oh no, even more away from origin. Right click, edit canvas, and once again, it gets reset to basically its original position, original size. But for some reason, rotated 90 degree. So, really annoying bug if you're using canvases. Here is the workaround. Let's remove this design. Start a new one, don't save, I don't need it. We're going to use a surface face as a reference, so we're going to open up our surface tools for now, create a sketch on the plane we want to work on, so I'm going to do it on the front. I'm going to do a simple rectangle, let's do a center rectangle, and for good measure we're going to dimension both sides of it. The size is not important. We're going to finish sketch, create a simple patch. So we get one simple surface body. Let's open up our browser. The surface body and the sketch, I have auto hide turned off, so I need to hide the sketch for now. And now I do an insert canvas. So I hit the canvas button, select my image, that one, and this face. Sorry, I'm going to do that once again. Very important when you select here. Image, open. Make sure you don't by mistake select the plane here, select the face of the body. You can see the body highlights. Here's the plane highlighted, here's the body highlighted. So on the body, I'm going to hit OK for now. And look from the front, as you can see here now, here it is. We can now do open canvases, or right click, calibrate. We can now calibrate this to be 100. It should be slightly bigger than the body now. Yes, that's good. If we now want to turn on the origin, and we can see it's almost correct, but I need to move it slightly. So I'm going to do right click and edit canvas. And you can see it didn't resize, it didn't turn around or flip around or do anything. Now we can very gently nudge this center point into place, something like that. Hit OK. And the canvas will stay where it is. And of course now you can hide the surface body that you use for reference and hide the origin. So the fixes for now is use a surface body. This video will be removed when the bug is fixed. I will try to remember to remove this video. But with that said, I hope this can help you. Take care, see you around, and bye.